Sir, the appointment of Honorable Justice Mohammed Abdullahi Al-Sami as a judge of the Supreme Court follows.
It demands sustained excellence in legal service and practice.
Before assuming a state office, acting in a state office, or performing any function, this appointment marks the 14th judge serving the Supreme Court since its establishment in the year 20, the newly appointed judge of the Supreme Court. Commissioners present, honored guests, and distinguished ladies and gentlemen. We gather today.
An act of Parliament. If it pleases Your Excellency, it is now.
Beyond his profession, he has served with dedication in education, civic leadership, and the church.
I am pleased to note that over the past 15 years, the court has my sister Jedida and Elder Gaturu
of the first conferee, Senior Counsel Evans Thiga,
at the University of Nairobi, graduating in 1972. He has rendered distinguished service to the Professional Lawyers Association as regional representative for Eastern and Southern Africa.
You have my goodwill and prayer. I also extend my very warm congratulations to Jedida Wakonyo Warui and Elder Evans Thiga Gaturu on the conferment of the rank of Senior Counsel. This distinction presents the highest recognition within the legal profession and is reserved for advocates whose careers exemplify excellence, learning, integrity, and distinguished service to the law profession. You stand here today because your illustrious service, rigorous scholarship, distinguished advocacy, and unwavering professional integrity have earned you a place at the very pinnacle of legal excellence in our republic. The Senior Counsel Conferment Rules, particularly Rule number 7, imposes upon you an even higher calling. It demands sustained excellence in legal service and practice, distinguished advocacy before the superior courts, dedicated mentorship of younger advocates, faithful service to the Law Society of Kenya, meaningful scholarly contribution to the development of the law, and an unimpeachable standard of professional conduct. Your elevation, therefore, is not merely a recognition of past accomplishments, but also a solemn charge to continue serving as custodians of justice, exemplars of professional ethics, and defenders of the rule of law for generations ahead. The Supreme Court, as our nation's apex judicial institution, stands as the ultimate guardian of the Constitution and the impartial arbiter of Kenya's most profound legal and constitutional questions. I am pleased to note that over the past 15 years, the court has remained steadfast in the discharge of its solemn mandate, consistently affirming the supremacy of the Constitution, safeguarding the sovereignty of the people of Kenya, and defending the independence of the judiciary. Through landmark judgments, advisory opinions rendered during moments of national uncertainty, and jurisprudence that has strengthened the foundations of our democracy, the Supreme Court has continuously sought to ensure that justice prevails for every Kenyan without fear or favor. As you join your 6 colleagues on the bench, you now assume the solemn responsibility of preserving the court's distinguished institutional heritage, enriching the development of its jurisprudence, and fortifying the foundations of justice upon which our constitutional order rests. Your conduct, diligence, wisdom, and integrity will play a defining role in shaping the next chapter in the evolution of this vital institution and in deepening public trust and confidence in the rule of law. I congratulate you, Justice Mohamed Abdullahi Warsame, on becoming the 14th distinguished Kenyan to earn the singular honor and privilege of serving as a judge of the Supreme Court of Kenya since the court's establishment nearly 15 years ago. Congratulations again to all of you, Justice Warsame, my sister Jedida, and Elder Gaturu, for your earning a place of great recognition in our republic. You have my goodwill and prayers as you get on with the next step in your careers. These recognitions are very well-deserved honors and distinguished milestones. I wish you every success as you continue serving our great republic in your respective roles and as you contribute to the advancement of justice, the rule of law, and the strengthening of our constitutional democracy. Again, to all of you, congratulations and my very, very best wishes.